Hey guys! So today I am doing a New Year life hacks video for you all, and I know I haven't filmed in like forever, but I've been sick with a cold for like 2 weeks. It's been terrible, and then I just didn't want to film over my break. It's just lots of happening. I was busy. It's just so yeah, these are some life hacks for your New Year's to get you in the New Year's mood, and also this is trendy right now, so yeah, let's go. So I wrote myself some little notes because I made notes on my phone, and I was like, wait girl, you film with your phone, so yeah. I have a marble shirt on. I feel very trendy right now. I mean, like circa 2016, but like it's fine. So first tip I have for you all is to be organized. So what I mean by being organized, because you can't be organized and you're like, ugh, I hate organizing. Most people say, well, how to be organized is just have a planner. So at school, oh my god, my glasses are going to, sorry, they're purple, it's just the thing. So just get a planner, so at school you can write all your assignments down, and you can just write. And even I, in my planner, like to write what we did in the class, so if I need to be like, oh, what day did we do this, like in a journal or something. Got it. And then mark events in your phone calendar. If you don't want to buy like a physical planner, like mark when a big final is in your phone calendar, because they're there for a reason. Yeah. And tip number 2 is to wake up on time. Now, I know no one likes to wake up on time for school, because I like to wake up at like 6 a.m. and it's just, some people have to wake up earlier than that, but my little trick for you. 1, have it on full blast. Like, that's gonna wake you up. And then second, you know how you have different alarms? Well, each alarm, let's say you have 3, make each of them a different noise. And then like every week or every month, like switch out the alarm noises on all of them and like make them different, because in my like logicness of what I think, your brain will recognize it as alarm and it'll make you sleep through it if you're a heavy sleeper like me, because I like can't wake up to an alarm. I have an issue. But yeah, so there's your second tip. Now tip number 3 is to eat healthy. Now I know what you're gonna say, like, Grace, you're one to talk, like, I eat chocolate and pizza all the time. Well, here's the thing. Eat like one healthy thing per day. Eat an apple a day. Eat an orange. Like, eat one healthy thing every single day. And if I eat something healthy, like, I just feel better all day. It just makes me feel better. Now, to go along with tip number 3 is tip number 4, which is to drink water. Make sure, you need to drink as much water as they say you need. I don't know what it is. But if you can't do that, if you just don't like water, get like the little flavor drops. I don't do that because I love water, but like, do it if it's what you need to stay hydrated, because it helps your skin, it helps everything. Keep clapping. Okay, and then tip number 5 is to set up a routine for your life. So I used to not have a routine. Like, I've kind of established a morning routine now. Oh, click or comment down below if you want a New Year's morning routine, school morning routine. I don't know what I was saying. Or a night routine. Yeah, after school routines aren't a thing anymore, I just realized. Anyway, so yeah. But I think if you establish a routine, it just is so much better. You just wake up more, or just have one thing you do every single day at the same time every day. Like, opening your blinds in the morning. Maybe that, or making your bed, or doing something. Also, keep your room clean. I know that's a hard one, but just keep it clean. Or at least just keep your bed made. Makes your whole room, in my opinion, look like 5 times cleaner. Yeah, keep your room clean. And then the last tip is the one I do for every single season. Every season I change my wallpaper. And also, along with that, I would just say, reorganize your entire phone. I'm not saying delete all your apps and reinstall them, no. Maybe you had everything labeled in folders. Maybe take some of those apps out, maybe rearrange, relabel things. I'm doing this again. Organize your photos, or organize your Instagram saves into folders, because you can do that. Just telling you now. And most importantly, in my opinion, is to get a new wallpaper. I'm gonna say, Pinterest is your friend for 2018, because you can get healthy recipes. Healthy recipes. What tip was that? That was tip number 3. Pinterest is your friend. You can get cute wallpapers on there, motivational wallpapers, put on your computer, everything. So yeah, reorganize your phone because it just feels fresh, and you're like, oh, new stuff. Take off your Christmas wallpapers, take off your fall wallpapers, because I make a new one. Because it just gives you vibes. Because you look at your phone every single day, you look at something, you don't want it to be the same thing and take you back to winter, Christmas time. Because it's not then. You'll be stuck in the past. You want to be in the present, fresh, clean, productive. Yeah. I think that's it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please remember to comment, subscribe down below and comment down below what you want to see me do next. And question of the day: do you like the winter time? Because in my town we're having a giant snowfall right now. So yeah, it's crazy. And yeah, so please remember to comment, subscribe down below. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you all next week.